your aldehyde and ketone, which are your electrophiles. So we'll start off with the Grignard, okay? All right, so here is an aldehyde. I'm going to react my aldehyde with a Grignard. Okay? So remember, we learned which carbon does the attacking with Grignards. It's this carbon right here. This is the carbon that does the attacking. So I like to number this. This is 1, and I'm going to call this one carbon 2, right? 1, 2. Who are we attacking? We're attacking this carbon, right? Then I say that's the one that you're going to attack. So then we're going to call that 3, and then we'll call this 4, and we'll call this 5. Always number your carbon chains so you can stay consistent. So 1 is going to attack 3. And then what happens when you attack 3? The double bond O is going to break. So what I do here now is I draw my 2 carbons, right? I have 1, 2. So I have 1, 2, right? 1, 2. 1 attacked carbon 3, right? Didn't 1 attack 3? So 1 attacked 3. This is 3. 3 is attached to 4 and 5. And it's also attached to an O, right? It was double bond O, but it broke, so now it's going to be a single bond O minus. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. And remember that there was also a hydrogen on 3, right? So there is a hydrogen there, but we never show the hydrogen, right? So let's just hide it. And then after that, you just do the workup, like how you did with the epoxides. So then that is going to give you OH. What kind of alcohol is that?
Secondary.
Secondary alcohol. So the take-home message here is that when you have an aldehyde with a Grignard, you make a secondary alcohol. That is the take-home message. Okay, aldehyde plus Grignard